Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you my method to get unlimited diamonds and unlimited tickets in chapters. So guys, chapters is kind of like episode or choices if you guys have ever played those games, but I think that chapters is better because I think it's more realistic, and I also think it has more chapters, more variations, all that kind of stuff, and so I like playing that one a little bit more, but that's not what this video is about. What this video is about is showing you guys how you can get unlimited diamonds and unlimited tickets. Now, I figured this out pretty easily. It was on Instagram that I saw it, but now it's been taken off Instagram, so I thought I should put it back up somewhere on YouTube. Is probably better for it because it won't get taken down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop my babble and start my explaining and show you how you guys can get this yourself. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, I have chapters running and downloaded on my iPhone 11. Now, my iPhone 11 is great. I have no problems with my iPhone 11. Although, if you guys are not running an iPhone 11, that is okay as well. You don't need an iPhone 11 for this to work. You can use an iPad, you can use an Android, whatever you may need. Just follow along in the tutorial as close as possible, and it should work for you. But let's go ahead and open up. As you can see, I'll just go ahead and go into the gem store here. And gems can be a costly little bunch. This one for freaking $100, that's crazy. So basically I can do all of this, but once you guys are actually in the Diamond Tickets shop, go ahead and re-click those resources, and you guys are actually gonna see the chapters mod menu. Now, this has a lot of stuff, the VIP, all chapters, no ads, but I care about the diamonds and tickets. Now I'm gonna activate that, and I want you guys to watch my resources. Watch them right there, watch my diamonds and tickets, because in a second, oh my god. Every time I see that, it's freaking crazy. But guys, now I have unlimited diamonds and unlimited tickets. As you can see right there, it says 999999 because that's actually the most the game can even show, but it's even more than that, guys. It's infinite. It's like a gazillion, so you'll never run out. But that is because I have this version of chapters. I have a slightly different version than whatever version you guys might be able to get. And I don't actually get my version off of the App Store. I get it off of the internet. And where I get it is on the Safari and settings. Safari and settings. Now, if you don't have Safari, that's okay. You can use whatever other internet browser you have. But once you are on the internet browser, you want to come here. This is the Tweak Valley store, and you just go to this website right here. It's really simple. I'm going to show you. TweakValley, tweakvalley.com. Just type that in, and you guys are going to be brought here. And this is honestly, like, it's got so many hacked apps here. It's got so many tweaked apps. It's a little crazy. But Chapters Plus is right there. So we're just going to go ahead and hit that install button. And that's going to begin installing something called a configuration profile. What a configuration profile is basically just an app, but it's not an app from the App Store, so it's a profile, not an app. So it has to be called something different, I guess. But what we are waiting on right now is a little pop-up, little notification saying that we have successfully downloaded this and asking us for permission to allow it to happen. Now, of course, we want to give it permission, so we will hit allow at that point. Let us go ahead and wait for that notification. Alright guys, there it is. Let's go ahead and hit that allow button and go ahead and close on out of that. After that, guys, we're going to hop into our settings and we're going to scroll into general. And then fourth from the bottom is VPN and device management. Click on downloaded profiles. There it is, Chapters Plus. Hit that install button and type in your regular unlock passcode. Hit next and then install. After that, hit install again and then hit done. And you guys should be good to go. There it is, Chapters Plus. Enjoy.